Introducing Google Vids.
Life happens. Students miss class, but learning shouldn't stop. Introducing Google Vids, the easy way to capture and share your valuable instruction. Scholars never need to miss a lesson.
With Google Vids, you can quickly record your lectures, demonstrations, explanations, and more.
Perfect for review. Students can easily re-watch key concepts, reinforce learning, and master difficult topics at their own pace.
Easily integrate Google Vids with Google Classroom and your other Google content for seamless sharing and organization.
Google Vids is accessible for all learners, catering to different learning styles and paces.
Empower your students with independent learning and build a more inclusive classroom with Google Vids.
To do even more with Google Vids, have students create them. This is an amazing project-based learning strategy students can use to dig deeper and show what they know.
Visit vids.google.com to learn more and get started today.
Interested in learning more? Reach out to your EdTech coach.